Dear students, good evening. It's only part of winter, though countryside winter affected, except for the northern part of Bangladesh, Rangpur, Dinajpur, Bogura, Panchgord, Thakurgarh, Naga. Even outside Dhaka city, temperature is now declining. Today, we are to discuss about women entrepreneurship. This is a very top urgent issue, women entrepreneurship, where there is a ratio of about 50% women, but why they will remain out from business and entrepreneurial programs. If they are coming, if they are participating in the business world or the industrial sector, that will be very much positive for the overall development, economical development of the country, and a huge awareness program of the development of the women and their participation in the economic activities of the country. So I like to mention one example. There is a group of women, maximum young girls. They are doing business in Dinajpur, forming an organization, Uddokta Dinajpur, or I mean Dinajpurer Uddokta, entrepreneurs of Dinajpur. This is very encouraging activities. More than 6,000 women, young girls, they are exchanging their views, concepts, ideas virtually, and they are doing business. And their business practice is now very exciting. Even they are doing this business from their own finance. No financial institutions or banks supporting them. If banks and the financial institutions are supporting them, encouraging them, then that will be very positive. I think their approach, their step is very gallant in nature. Tomorrow I wish, being a teacher of business, as per my observation, I do see they are struggling a lot, and they are cooperating also. There is a very nice cooperation system prevailing and developing among themselves. So, huge number of entrepreneurs are now increasing. Anyway, women entrepreneurship is a very encouraging effort, and women entrepreneurs, both from the countryside and the town area, city area, they are developing a consciousness. So, it's our expectation, if they proceed as how they are proceeding, and if the government, financial institutions and administration is supporting and enhancing their cooperations to them, and tomorrow they will become very giant business magnate, industrialist. It's my wish as per my observation. In this point, who are the women entrepreneurs? There are full ownership when prevailing of a certain owner, a certain woman, or a group of women. Then there is, more than 51%, then that can be treated as the women entrepreneurship. When directors or 51%, at least 51% shareholder is woman, then that is woman enterprise. So in that moment, government is encouraging women entrepreneurs in Bangladesh, because keeping them idle simply within the house, just therefore doing households activities is not enough. Side by side, if they develop themselves by earning something, engaging something in the business and productive areas, so tomorrow they will be able to bring an outstanding activities and role for the overall development of agriculture, farming, general trading. Even they can participate very nicely in the export-oriented business of the country. As their brain is very cool, they can be very much innovative in nature. Their innovation sense can bring the country lot development. We had a long heritage of women entrepreneurship and business. So what the government is now trying to provide the facilities to the women entrepreneurs of Bangladesh. Number one that I'd like to mention is a separate fund for the women entrepreneurs. As per the decision of the Ministry of Finance and Bangladesh Bank, there is a certain provision for providing loan facilities or financial support for the women entrepreneurs in Bangladesh. If any women entrepreneur is coming to do business, and if they go and ask for granting loans and financial support, then the banks and financial institutions are at a lower rate of interest. They can provide loan to the women entrepreneurs of the country. Then, providing preference in considering the loan proposals submitted by the women entrepreneurs. It's very much encouraging. Government is encouraging. Political government taking a step by the central bank, and central bank is ordering, or enlisted banks and the financial institutions to provide loan support or financial support to the women entrepreneurs. Because recovery rate from the women entrepreneurs is very positive, where there is a very problematic for the male entrepreneurs. In that case, when women entrepreneurs are taking loan, they systematically and regularly pay back installments to the banks. Then the separate help desk for women entrepreneurs. Each and every bank has a separate help desk for the women entrepreneurs. This help desk is simply not only providing loan facilities, but also they are giving different types of practical and applied advice to the women entrepreneurs. So the women entrepreneurs will be very much benefited. At the same time, when women entrepreneurs starting a certain business venture, time to time, bank officers, they visit those business organizations and the industries, and they provide different advices as necessary. In this point, the technical support, technical advice, technological advice, marketing advice in connection to the cost assessment and the financial affairs advice. Then sanctioning the loan to the women entrepreneurs at a low rate of interest. Yes, I told it earlier several times. I also advise the women entrepreneurs of Dinajpur them. Yes, you go to the banks and the financial institutions as there is a specific rules and order from the Bangladesh Bank to provide you loan below 5% rate of interest. Also as the least developed area, not only women, also as least developed area. So this opportunity government is providing to the women entrepreneurs of the country. So, this is very encouraging. They can do this business at a lower rate of interest, and it will quite possible from their side to do business and to earn profit. At the same time, they can develop their and explore their business each and every year in the bigger form and bigger shape. Now, there is awareness of the women in Bangladesh throughout the country is far better, and day to day that is accelerating. That is the whole issue. Then selecting entrepreneurs on the basis of the recommendations provided by the Women Chamber. Women Chamber is very much active at this point. And all the time Women Chamber asking for provide loan facilities even without interest. Sometimes they are requesting the government to encourage the women entrepreneurs of the country. So plus point is they are a 50% of the population, they will not remain without work, jobless, with no business. This cannot be accepted. A 50% people, they will be out from the business, trade, commerce and industrialization. How the development of the country will be attained? In that point, Women Chamber is trying level best. I also requested, Dinajpur Udyokta Group, the name Dinajpur Udyokta. There is more than 6,000 women, they are doing business. I asked them to talk to the bank and the financial institutions for receiving loan for their business. Also to request them to provide the loan at a lower rate of interest. From our side, we are also requesting all the banks and the financial institutions to provide loan facilities at a lower rate of interest. Sometimes, at a very minimum rate of interest, say for the 2%, 3%, obviously it should not be more than 5%. So if this way loan facilities is provided with the training facility, with the training facilities, then sure these women will bring the country in the golden stage, and their mental world will be very much exploding and developing. So loan facilities is provided by the government, but it should be expedited. It should have to be expedited. Then selecting entrepreneurs on the basis of the recommendations provided by the Women Chamber. Yeah, the same thing. As per the recommendation from the Women Chamber can select the right entrepreneurs, best entrepreneurs, trained entrepreneurs, positive entrepreneurs, those who can contribute and those who can very smoothly and skillfully run their business organizations and farms. That's the thing. Then awakening system. If the mother is awakened, if the mother is rising, the total family will rise, obviously. His mother is developing, that is daughter or son, whoever are there, even husband, everybody will rise and everybody will be able to develop themselves. Then a four-wheel, like the four-wheel drive, the entire family will move fast and in the better way. Then urging for innovating separate business policies. Yes, for the development of the women entrepreneurship in the country. What we need, the woman needs a separate investment policy for the women, separate banking policy for the women, separate administrative policy of the government, separate licensing policy of the government, separate, it should be one-stop service system. A certain woman entrepreneur is trying to start a venture, then positive there should have a certain unit where all sorts of license will be. They can get from a certain organization, from a certain desk. So they need not to move 1,000 different departments and different other locations. So they can very easily get the license, multi-varied license, permission from fire, permission from environment, permission from Ministry Works, permission from labor organization. Like this way, they can very easily perform. Also, banks and financial institutions, they should need to be connected with them. And issuing instructions for sanctioning loans against personal security. Women entrepreneurs, they face a serious problem. Maximum women, they don't have their personal asset, say for the land asset or building asset. In that case, what the banks need to do, banks, just for the personal guarantee, bank needs to provide banking loan facilities to the women entrepreneurs, just only basing upon personal guarantee. So they can very smoothly and without tension they can do their business. If personal guarantee is enough, then they need not to bother. For a certain amount of money they can take as loan with a below interest rate. And time to time banks and financial institutions and the chambers may provide different types of advice and business support to them so that they can run their business. I already very much astonished as seeing the more than 6,000 entrepreneurs of Dinajpur. They are doing very nicely business. They have started business and they are selling their goods, products, different dresses, sweets, foods, drinks, what not. And I think tomorrow they will become a prominent industrialist. Some of them will become very prominent industrialists. And that's possible. At the same way I found some young chaps, they are also trying in the name of Amar Dinajpur. They are also trying their level best to start their business venture. So I also advise them to take first training. They need to be trained up. They need to be trained up and they need to go to the banks, the financial institutions as a least developed area for asking, below 5% rate of interest loan facilities. So this is very nice job. And then issuing instructions for sanctioning loan against personal security. Then publicity. Yes, publicity is very much important. Our women are doing very right business, right job, right quality product they are manufacturing at a lower rate, at a lower cost. This is very inspiring. They don't break commitment. They are very much committed. They are doing, as they are to some extent worried. So they manufacture food and beverage and garments items at a right quality, in the right time, at a right cost, controlling wastage. So if they are trained further for the better skill development, they can do best. They can do best and excellent. So wishing good luck countrywide all the women entrepreneurs. Not only this is happening in Dinajpur, also a different district town area or rural areas of the Bangladesh. And in Naga, I saw women are working there. They are manufacturing button by coconut, wastage part, and rope. They are manufacturing rope by coconut wastage part, fiber. And also women are engaged in manufacturing dried fish, what to say in the Bengali word, that is the shutki mass. So like this way, the women are working throughout the country. If they are not neglected, in a state of their support, they are cooperated, both from the family side and from the society and from banks and financial institutions, also from the administrative support backup and the organizations, trade organizations, all including Chamber of Commerce and Industries, also women chambers, and each and every, my proposal from my side, that is, women chamber should be formed countrywide, even all over the Bangladesh. Each thana and upazila level, there should have a women chamber, and with that women chamber should be comprised with training institute also. This is request from my side to the government and the concerned authorities to set up women chamber countrywide, even thana and upazila level. So women will be very much inclined and they will be available to engage themselves with the different other professions also, not only for the garments, not only for the food, also for the fisheries, for agricultural product marketing, for duck farming, for gartery, for beef fattening farming. All these things are already this has been commonly in practice in Bangladesh. And in that case, if we are providing training facilities, we are launching training facilities, paperwork system, if we are conveying them what is the paperwork system and how to get a trade license and all other licenses, a renewal system, also how to open a bank account and how to get loan from the banks and financial institutions, and all the time, if the women chamber authorities, women chamber leaders are behind them, then that will become positive and very excellent. And salute the women entrepreneurs of Bangladesh, because they are started to build up the country. They are started to build up their own family, their surroundings, and the country as a whole. Thank you very much. Good luck, best of luck. Thank you.